A true rock star entrance.
There is an electric feeling in this arena.
Undeniable energy to his arrival.
Setting the stage for what's to come next.
The following contest is a tables match. Making his way to the ring from Kyoto, Japan, weighing in at 220 pounds, Shinsuke Nakamura.
Nakamura is a proprietor of lethal mixed martial arts strikes.
Yeah, there is something inside Nakamura that drives him to go for the kill every night. Victory is just not enough.
Nakamura tends to target a focal point of the body and then attack it mercilessly.
Claims he is, quote, been reborn.
Cole, I think it's more than a claim. Shinsuke's proven it with newfound brutality.
Stand back. There's a hurricane coming through.
Did you hear that, guys? Stand back. Here it comes.
And his opponent, weighing in at 215 pounds, the Hurricane.
Yeah, believe it or not, Hurricane has actually held plenty of titles. The Cruiserweight title, the European, the Hardcore, and the Tag Team titles.
Don't let the goofy costume fool you. The Hurricane is the real deal.
Tomorrow's headline, Hurricane saves WWE.
Byron, you know this isn't a comic book, right? This is real life, and Hurricane's powers aren't real.
Tell that to the Hurricane. All right, here we go. Tables match.
That's right, tables aren't just legal, they're encouraged.
No pinfalls, no submissions. You absolutely have to put your opponent through a table to win. Talk about unpleasant.
Reversal on Hurricane.
Man.
Big kick right to the gut. Caught with that sharp elbow.
A chain of reversals here, every motion getting cut off.
Oh. Simple but effective. Going outside. What's he got planned here?
He's heading back to the ring.
The Hurricane wards that attack off.
Unbelievable athleticism.
You have solidified your name as a top athlete when you're able to pull off that move.
Oh, propelled into the table.
Back into the ring here. Do you have to have an extreme streak in you to succeed in a tables match?
I think so, Michael. But the good news is that tables matches bring that out in everyone. So if extreme doesn't come naturally to you, just
From the top.
all the way crashing down.
Nakamura's globe-trotting experience being put to the test here.
Clothesline. Well, that'll leave a mark.
Now the Hurricane has the firm upper hand.
Hurricane isn't holding anything back.
Inverted atomic drop.
Boom.
This is nasty.
In the eye of the Hurricane.
Now that is what you call super heroic. Stunning display of power. Nakamura is so elusive. Big forearm.
Hooked up and boom. Backdrop suplex. What a high angle right across the shoulders. Lift off. A sky high low down.
The king of strong style is being dismantled.
Shinsuke has been snuffed out. Propped up in the corner.
One step ahead there.
We're locked in reversals here. Neither competitor intimidated. Ooh.
What a counter.
What a display here. Counters on both sides.
German suplex.
Looks like he's got something in mind for ringside here.
Uh-oh. What a cross body.
Took flight and landed a direct hit.
Came in like a wrecking ball. I've never seen that hit so hard before.
He's going up. Taking to the floor. And he's got no worries about the count. From way up. Oh, no. Went big and pays for it.
What a spectacular misfire.
And that is why we say don't try this at home, viewers, because of terrible miscalculations like that.
Gets out of the ring. What's going to happen now? Look at this!
Slingshot crossbody? That was ridiculous. Went straight to the outside and landed right on the target.
A textbook example of high risk, high reward right there.
Could be thinking of high-risk offense here. From the top. Off the mark.
Effective dodge there.
Oh, running STO plants him.
Nicely done.
Hurricane looking a little less than super. Hits back against Nakamura.
Looks like he knew what was coming up. Dominating shoulder tackle.
Heading to ringside now.
And he now slides back into the ring. Super kick!
Get back here. Leg lariat.
Hangman's neck breaker.
Blow to the abdomen gets them out of that.
Ooh, sharp elbow. Ooh, the Hurricane answers back. Jumping neck breaker. Ouch. He's out of the ring. What does he have in mind now? He's headed out to the ringside area.
Uh-oh. That'll tip the scales in this match. What a sick thump from that table.
Table launched right at their opponent.
Closed fist punch to the jaw. That's one way to break up a move.
Turns it around.
All these counters, it's like they're in each other's minds.
Manages to reverse it. Hurricane now going high risk.
Soaring!
Through the air. And connects.
I can't believe what we just saw.
I can't believe that didn't miss.
Hurricane Rana.
Unbelievable athleticism.
I don't know what they're looking for here.
About to introduce some metal into the mayhem in the form of the trash can.
He goes back into the ring here.
Here's the snapmare. Followed by the knee drop.
Uh-oh. The lights just went out. Here. What? Wait. No way. Powerful message being sent right there. Hurricane.
Hurricane got it. Can he end it?
And he heads back into the ring.
He's got a plan for that table, and it does not involve a dinner party.
right here. Uh-oh. Flipped over into an arm drag there. Incredible resolve on display. These competitors have been unwavering.
One punishing blow after another. How much?
And what he's looking for here looks like a potential submission maneuver coming. A submission will win the match here, but it could do serious damage.
Looking to find an escape from the abdominal stretch.
Uh-oh, found it.
Finds the answer for Nakamura.
Nakamura escapes the attack.
Proof these superstars have done their homework. Has him in the corner, thinking of the next move.
Nakamura gets the counter.
Vicious knee to the body.
Kick. Taking this match to the outside. Brought back into the ring from the floor now. He counters with a great reversal.
Here's the snapmare. Followed by a knee drop.
Oh, fracture in orbital. Chess match of counters and reversals happening here.
Uh-oh.
Back elbow completely cuts them off.
Maneuvers out of the way.
A masterful display of defense from both wrestlers.
Strong kick. My goodness. Big shots. Oh, man.
Hurricane is in the worst way now. Ooh, got caught with a punch to the face. Oh, this ends right here. He's got him up.
Oh, put through the table. What an ending to this tables match.
Here is your winner,
And going through that table is the exclamation point on this match. An emphatic tables match victory.
Talk about a comic book ending. Good triumphs over evil.
You're almost as delusional as the Hurricane himself, Saxton.